The last days of LIBOR. On December 16, 2022, the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve adopted a final rule identifying the benchmarks that will replace LIBOR in various types of financial instruments when LIBOR, at least in its current form, ceases to exist on June 30, 2023. Efforts to reform or replace LIBOR began in earnest in 2012, when the regulator for the benchmarks administrator, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, published a report recommending comprehensive reforms to LIBOR. In 2013, the International Organization of Securities Commissions, IOSCO, published principles for financial benchmarks to promote the quality and integrity of benchmarks by ensuring that they would be based on arm's-length transactions in robust markets. In 2014, the Financial Stability Board endorsed the IOSCO principles and recommended reforms to strengthen LIBOR and the development of risk-free rates that could provide alternatives to LIBOR. That same year, the Fed Board and Federal Reserve Bank of New York, FRNY, convened a group of private sector financial institutions known as the Alternative Reference Rates Committee, ARRC, to spearhead those efforts in the United States. In 2017, the ARRC identified the Secured Overnight Financing Rate, SOFR, as the nearly risk-free rate best suited to eventually replace USD LIBOR. Following the ARRC's identification of SOFR as the preferred LIBOR replacement benchmark in 2017, various industry groups sprang to action to assist their members in effecting the transition. One of ISDA's first accomplishments in this regard was coordinating the derivatives market's coalescence around fallback rate, SOFR, as its preferred replacement benchmark. Since January 2021, all standard LIBOR-based derivative transactions have provided this version of SOFR, which is compounded in arrears and published by Bloomberg Index Services Limited, as the primary fallback to USD LIBOR. In a series of consultations conducted by the ARRC, cash market participants generally expressed a preference for term rates based on SOFR. This uncertainty led some market participants to adopt SOFR-based rates that are calculated in advance by averaging SOFR rates over an earlier observation period, such as the average SOFR benchmark published by the FRNY. Under this approach, which is similar to the one employed for certain tenors of GBP LIBOR and JPY LIBOR, synthetic LIBOR would equal the applicable term SOFR rate plus the recommended spread adjustment rather than being based on panel bank rate submissions.
LIBOR transition to SOFR June 30, 2023. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.